Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Court does call the case. People versus Gentian Frame. And they messed
That's a
up.
lot of people. There's no counsel.
There's no counsel.
Oh, I like. It's nice.
Oh. You called Miss Parody no counsel?
No.
Wow. 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 Just no, you said there's no counsel.
I'm counsel.
I know. I feel that way. Apparently, Ann doesn't. All right.
No problem. Good morning. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Ms. Frame. Ms. Frame, please state your name.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. This is Janison Frame.
Janison Frame. I knew it. And
Yeah,
I
every
just-
time you mess it up, every time we're gonna hold you accountable.
Whoa, you didn't. But I acknowledge that you didn't have to come at me like that. But okay.
It's a new year. We're gonna start off fresh.
Okay.
Your Honor, we have been here a few times.
Ow.
We are asking for another adjournment. However, we
Another German where I got to try to call her name. Oh wow. Okay, go ahead.
You'll get it next time.
Ms. Londi and I did speak about a potential resolution. I just have not been able to relay that to Ms. Frame. So I would like some more time to have another conversation with her about resolving this case.
All right.
That's correct. We talked yesterday. The offer would be no contest is charged for the prosecutor's deferred sentence, but of course, Ms. Kearney needs time to discuss what that means for her client.
All right. I can do February 19th, I think it is.
Just don't do
Or-
February 26th. It's my birthday.
Oh, I'm gonna set it right on that date then. No.
I
I'm
think
just gonna hold a special docket just for her.
no. I think the 19th should be enough time, Your
The
Honor.
19th will be enough. All right.
Thank you.
I'll adjourn the matter February 19th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Ms. Frame, thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, you as well.
We're waiting on a Spanish interpreter. While we do that, we can teach Miss Parody to like chant. Like, I am somebody.
My son the other day was walking around going, I am alive.
Okay, there you go. See?
Which was pretty fun.
Court calls the case of the people versus Hiep.
Conrad Silver on behalf of the township.
Good afternoon. This is the Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
My name is Hiep. Can you hear me?
All right. Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Oh, okay, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is I believe an improper registration. I believe he did register the vehicle. Mr. Lee, however, doesn't have a phone. I haven't been able to contact him about getting proof of that registration. But we adjourned it last time because he had an active warrant of 14A2. He did go to 14A2 and resolve that warrant, so that's no longer pending. So Mr. Lee, to resolve it, I just need proof of the registration from you. So
I don't have the truck anymore.
I'm sorry.
He doesn't
I don't have the truck anymore. A long time ago.
Oh. Did you sell it?
Yeah, I sold it to Junkyard long time ago,
Okay.
2 years ago. Yes.
Okay. So, I guess I'm asking for an adjournment so I can work with him to get proof of that, to get that to Mr. Siller.
All right. 2 weeks of enough.
Yes, I think so. So if I may, Your Honor,
Go ahead.
Mr. Lee, I just need proof that you don't have the vehicle and that you sold it to the junkyard.
And how do I get
They
in
should
touch?
have given you something, or they should be an issue,
Actually,
or
I
you sign the title or something.
can I get from DMV or because I asked my friend to sold it in the junkyard and I don't know who he called or what company.
Oh. So friend told it.
Yeah, maybe Secretary of State can show
Hang on a second.
who it's.
But we don't have.
court has the ability to do.
Yeah, okay. So
They bought it $50.
hang on a second. Well, we'll have 2 weeks to figure it out, but let me see if it's on here.
I may be able to.
Yes, it is. It's on the ticket. So, what I'll look into, I'll adjourn it out 2 weeks. What I'll look into is see if we can run the VIN to see if it's still even registered to them.
Okay, and I'll try mine to see if we can dig into it. So, Mr. Lee, we'll work on it, okay?
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you very much,
I'm gonna adjourn it out to February 19th, 2025, okay?
That's good. Thank you very much, Judge. You have a nice day.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye. I'm done.
Yep, you're all set.
Thank you. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.
You too. Court calls the case, People versus Mars Casiela Tulin.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon.
Your name, sir?
Mars Tulin.
Ooh, I did pretty good. All right. You don't have an attorney on your case.
I don't need an attorney.
Okay, what do you want to do on the case?
What the charges?
Well, this tells me you were arraigned on January 8th before the magistrate,
Yes.
and they would have told you what the charges were. But it's failed to stop an ID after a personal injury accident.
Okay, it's I can give explanations.
Okay. You understand that this is punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $500 fine plus court.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, are you sure you don't want an attorney?
I think the situation is pretty simple and logical. I just can give explanations, and this is
Well, it doesn't work that way.
that doesn't work that way.
No, because what you can do is you can plead guilty to the charge. I can set it for trial or a jury trial or a bench trial.
Not I wanna plead not guilty.
I know I get it.
Yes. Okay.
You pled not guilty, but now it has to go to the next stage, which should typically be a trial.
Okay.
Are you gonna want to handle the trial yourself, or you want the help of an attorney to figure out how to handle it to get whatever information you
I
want?
can okay, I can take a public defender.
Okay, you want an attorney then? Okay, I think that might be.
I'm just scared. I don't know. Like you're telling me I need one.
I'm not telling you need one. I'm saying if you want to do this yourself, you can.
Okay,
But-
I'll do it myself then.
Okay, then you're gonna. All right. Then here's what I have to advise you under the court rules that you are facing the charge, sir, of failure to stop and identify after a personal injury accident. That is a misdemeanor offense.
Okay.
It is punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, you
All
are.
right. I need you to also understand, since you're electing to represent yourself, that can be filled with peril. I will be holding you to the same standard that I would be holding the prosecuting attorney or any other attorney as to knowledge of the court rules and procedure in the court. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If at any time during these proceedings you wish to be represented by counsel, cannot afford to hire an attorney, you have to ask the court, and the court would appoint counsel to represent you. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what do we want to do with this?
Now I'm gonna represent myself. Okay.
Okay. Do you want it set for a trial?
Yes.
All right. Do you want a jury trial or a bench trial?
Bench.
People waive their right to a jury trial, Your Honor.
He'll need to sign off on a waiver.
Signature here.
Sir, you signed a waiver of trial by jury. You understand that you have an absolute and constitutional right to have the matter tried before a jury.
Yes.
You understand that by signing that form, you're waiving or giving up that right to be tried before the court without a jury present.
Yes.
People have also stated, based upon the statement of counsel, an independent court will consent to have the matter tried before without a jury. Non-jury trial in this matter will be set for February 24th.
Oh, Your Honor, I'm gonna be out of state.
You're out of state.
I'm out of state.
26. Non-jury trial, March 26, 2025, 9 a.m. in person. All right.
Thank you.
Bond will continue. Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Christopher Lambrose.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
How you doing, sir?
Okay, your name?
Christopher George Lambrose.
All right. There's no counsel on this one either?
Your Honor, I did have a chance to speak to Mr. Lambrose, and I did speak with Brainy. He's gonna request that the court appoint a public defender.
He wants a public defender on this case. All right.
There's also an accompanying case that goes along with this case that is not on the docket, and we'd ask that that case also be put on the adjourned date.
Yeah. I need to figure out what this note means. Okay, right. You're in treatment now, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what I'm gonna do, so there was a warrant issued for you with no bond. You understand that, sir?
Correct. I do.
And,
I did recall it online.
pardon, well, it didn't get recalled. I
Okay.
purposely didn't recall it because we didn't have the non-farm information.
Oh, okay. I did have
I
them.
received the non-farm information, gave you a date. And then I left the warrant out until you appeared.
Okay.
So you've appeared, we've received that information. I'll reset your bond to previous editions, that being the personal recognizance. All the conditions that were in place still apply. All right. And Mr. Fuller, you said he has another case?
Yes, it's the improper plate,
Got it.
same incident.
It's a payable misdemeanor that is just currently sitting open. It does not currently date.
All right.
I think we're gonna have a resolution on everything, you know.
Got it.
now,
Okay.
So
That's fair.
I'd ask that to be put on the same date.
All right. And you want a public defender?
Sir.
All right. So this is a public defender case.
Good.
Sorry, didn't mean to wake you. Go ahead.
Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny. Yeah, we had a little pretrial conference, all three of us, so we think we can resolve this all. Mr. Lambrose,
All right. So what I'll do, will the 19th work for everybody on that, or you need more time than
I
that?
think you can get that documentation by the 19th.
If he needs more time, I mean, he's in treatment. I have proof of that or was, so.
Yeah,
Why don't I do this? Let me do March 5th,
March 5th.
Yeah.
That's fine.
2025, 9 a.m. There's that, and you can tell them, schedule that. Okay, and so what we'll do is we'll schedule his other case on the March 5th date, so I'll have both.
and we'll be appointed on that one as well.
Like she doesn't have enough work. Yes.
Okay,
But we'll,
all right, well, thank you, Your Honor.
all right, so the PD be on that case too, be on this one, then we'll see you on the
Yeah.
March 5th.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'm still waiting on that autograph though.
Pardon?
Still waiting on that autograph.
I sign it a billion times every day. Yes, sir. Take care. Court calls case of the People versus Janison Pitman.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Pitman. Mr. Pitman may have called in, Your Honor. He did contact our office this morning.
No, he's here.
I'm
He's
here.
right there.
I'm here. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Your Honorable Judge Simpson, how are you today?
I'm doing fantastic, Mr. Pittman. Thank you for asking.
Not a problem.
You here?
Well, good. Your Honor, Mr. Pittman has a Secretary of State appointment on the 18th. We are seeking a date after that, so we can continue working on getting its license.
Okay, so his appointment with the Secretary of State's on the 18th.
Yes.
All right, why don't I do this? I'll adjourn the matter to March 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. All right, sir?
All right. Hey, Judge Simpson, I have a question for you off the record.
Well, I'm on the record, but go ahead.
I have a shirt made for you, and I make shirts, and I wanted to know when I can drop this shirt off to you.
Well, typically, I'm not allowed to accept gifts, sir.
Oh,
So-
okay.
Okay?
It has your slogan, Rock Out Judge Simpson.
It says what?
Rock Out Judge Simpson.
Well, I can't accept it, but certainly I'd love to see that.
No problem, Judge Simpson. I'll make sure I'll get it to you.
Thank you, sir.
No doubt. See you later.
Take care.
Yep.